Welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your Bluetooth headphones to XIAOMI TV Box 3S. First of all, you're gonna have to make sure that your headphones are in the pairing mode. I cannot tell you how particularly you have to put them into pairing mode, but when your device is in the pairing mode, it starts flashing rapidly, usually to make it go into pairing mode, you have to hold down the home button or the power button on your Bluetooth device for a couple of seconds. Then we're gonna have to navigate to quick settings menu, then all settings, and then scroll down to remotes and accessories. Select pair accessory. Make sure to keep your Bluetooth headphones close to your TV, and once they appear on the list, just click OK button and wait until your TV is paired with your Bluetooth device. Click pair, and now you can start using your Bluetooth headset with your TV. And if you want to disconnect or forget this device, in this menu navigate to your Bluetooth device and then either select disconnect or forget if you want to unpair this device completely. And that's how you do it. So thank you so much for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.